Got a 9000 here, and yeah. Took the head off because head gasket was blown. It was over, I think the person, it overheated, and they drove it here and thought it was just the thermostat or something, but once you put coolant in it and you start cranking it, it was spewing out of the reservoir. So, indication that there's pressure from the cylinders passing into the channels for the coolant, and back pressure causing it to boil over. Yeah, look right there. That's where it was broke. And I think that was cylinder, yeah, that's cylinder 1. So these two cylinders were pretty wet. Coolant getting in. This is a 98 9000 with like almost 200,000 miles, but person takes really good care of their car. Other than this, shit happens, got a lot of miles. This is probably the first time the head's been off, so it's probably original head gasket. So, I mean, nothing lasts forever and shit happens, so otherwise the car's pretty good. Replaced some hoses, because even original hoses at like 200,000 miles, some of the where the intake goes, ooh, look at, ooh. But one of the hoses that goes back here, I can't think of what it is. I like just got in. Yeah.
I actually
Pitting.
don't know. I never asked.
Universal does, right?
Maybe.
This is pretty bad. There's a little pitting there.
Well, Napa does.
There's a pitting there, and the head ain't flat. Put a straight edge. The light is able to put a razor blade under. So, for like 200,000 miles.
It's done. Look at it. Can you even get pictures of it like that?
Yeah, I think so. You put the light. Yeah, you can see the light.
I can see the space with my eyes, man, without even touching it.
I know. I fit a razor blade under there.
It's ridiculous. That's when it got hot.
Yeah, no. It's right on the jacket right there. That side's not. That's a little warped, but not as bad. Like I can see a little bit of light under there. Yeah.
How about here?
You know, is there a covering on this?
No.
Nice finished machined head. Ooh, it's so nice. So this is the 9000 head that got refinished.
Gotta put the head back together.
Put the guide pins back in.
Yeah.
They're on the screwdriver. So I think one guide pin went here, and then another went here because the holes are a little bit bigger.
That's correct. What Daniel was that?
New head gasket, new intake manifold. Should get a new exhaust manifold. I think that's what this is actually. Some new hoses, struts for the hood, stretch bolts. You see it, the stretch bolt right there. Alright, I'm editing the 9000 head gasket video right now, and what I realize as I'm editing a few videos right now in a row, since I'm really behind, is that I always leave out shit because I'm working and I just forget to. Like this one, I didn't show the car running. I didn't really sum up the video, and I guess I'm gonna have to try and work on that better whenever I'm at work if I can. Obviously, I might have to do something else. I have to stop for a second or just whatever happens. So obviously the car ran. It's been like a few months now. Oof, I'm real behind, sorry. But it's been a few months and the car ran fine. It's been in for I think a rattle of the exhaust. But yeah, I feel like the 9000 was a little bit more tedious than like a 9.5 head or like a 9.3 head. Even it's just similar engine, but similar not. But I think it was a little bit more tedious than the 9.5s and stuff. But I'm not 100%. Don't quote me. I mean personal preference. But a lot of steps. Like this video was really short, and I really didn't get. The first day didn't have my camera, so my phone was old and full, so I never got to film anything with my phone. So you missed the whole like taking it apart, but similar to a 9.5 and those engines, but has its own little different mounts and just a little slightly different in some stuff. Turbos backwards and different manifolds and stuff, but really wasn't that much different. Not too bad, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was kind of like really sporadic, but I didn't have my camera the first day. I'm sorry. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Peace out.